the transformative journey from the comfort zone to the growth zone. In life, we often find ourselves seeking comfort, a familiar space where stress is minimal, and we know what to expect. But why is it that leaving this comfort zone can be so daunting, and why should we even consider it? In this video, we will delve deep into the psychology of comfort and discomfort, exploring the stages of personal growth that occur when we dare to step outside of our comfort zone. We will discover that the path to realizing our full potential is a journey through 4 distinct zones: the comfort zone, the fear zone, the learning zone, and finally the coveted growth zone. Join us as we uncover the pros and cons of each zone, understand the role of discomfort in personal development, and equip ourselves with valuable insights to navigate this transformative journey. By the end of this video, you will be armed with the knowledge and motivation to embark on your own path of growth and self-discovery. The preference for living in the comfort zone, fear zone, learning zone, or growth zone can vary widely among individuals and may not necessarily be quantified by a single universally applicable percentage. People have different personalities, temperaments, and life circumstances that influence their comfort levels and willingness to venture beyond their comfort zones. So, let us begin our exploration of these zones, starting with the familiar territory of the comfort zone and discover why embracing discomfort can lead to a more compelling, fulfilling future. Hi, this is Manoj Kurup and welcome to the Kurup's Factor. Into comfort zone. The comfort zone is like our psychological safe haven. It's the space where we feel most at ease because we are familiar with our surroundings, routines, and actions. In this zone, stress and anxiety are minimal because we know what to expect. Many individuals naturally gravitate toward the comfort zone because it represents a state of familiarity, security, and low stress. It is a place where people feel at ease, and this is often the default state of many. The percentage of people who prefer to stay within their comfort zone might be relatively high, possibly a majority. Staying within the comfort zone can provide a sense of stability and consistency in our lives. It is where we often perform adequately and without too much strain. Instead of being too comfortable is that it can lead to a complacency. Over time, staying exclusively in the comfort zone may inhibit personal growth and limit our ability to take on new challenges or seize opportunities for advancement. Let us go through a fear zone. The fear zone is the space we enter when we decide to step out of our comfort zone. It is characterized by feelings of uncertainty, self-doubt, and anxiety. In this zone, we confront the unfamiliar, and it is common to feel a sense of discomfort. The fear zone is a transitional phase where people may experience discomfort and anxiety. While not everyone actively seeking this zone, some individuals are more inclined to step out of their comfort zone when they recognize their potential for personal growth. The percentage of people willing to enter the fear zone can vary, but may be smaller compared to those who prefer comfort. Challenging, the fear zone is a temporary place. It's a crucial bridge between the comfort zone and the zones beyond. It offers the opportunity for personal growth and a shift in mindset as we face and overcome our fears and limitations. The fear zone can be daunting and paralyzing. Without courage and self-belief, individuals may retreat back to their comfort zone to avoid discomfort. Part is learning zone. The learning zone is where we find ourselves when we have moved beyond the fear zone. In this zone, we gain confidence in dealing with the challenges, develop new skills, and gain valuable experience. As individuals overcome the initial fears of the fear zone, they may find themselves more comfortable in the learning zone. Here, they gain confidence and develop new skills. A significant portion of those who venture beyond their comfort zone may find themselves in the learning zone. The learning zone allows us to expand our comfort zone, achieve things we once thought impossible, and become more adaptable. It requires effort and perseverance to stay in the learning zone as challenges continue to arise. Growth zone. The growth zone is the ultimate destination reached through continued effort and resilience. Here, you live with a profound sense of purpose and freedom. You have a new mindset, think differently, and are motivated to set and achieve new goals. The growth zone represents a more advanced stage of personal development where individuals have successfully navigated the previous zones and are living with purpose and freedom. The percentage of people in the growth zone is likely smaller compared to those in the comfort or learning zones, as it represents a higher level of personal growth and resilience. The growth zone represents personal growth, expanded horizons, and a fulfilling life. Getting to the growth zone can be uncomfortable and challenging, but the rewards are significant. Stepping out of your comfort zone, moving through the fear and learning zones, and ultimately reaching the growth zone is a transformative journey that can lead to a personal growth, increased adaptability, and the realization of your full potential. Embracing discomfort and change is essential for a compelling and fulfilling future. It is important to note that these percentages are not fixed and can change over time for an individual. Personal development is a dynamic process, and people may move in and out of these zones at different stages of their lives based on their goals, experience, and willingness to embrace discomfort. Additionally, cultural and societal factors can influence people's tendencies in terms of their comfort zone preferences. In the comfort zone, a realm of familiarity and security offers stability but can hinder progress when we linger too long. Beyond it lies the fear zone, where uncertainty and self-doubt challenges us. Here, discomfort becomes a catalyst for growth. Entering the learning zone, we gain confidence and skills, expanding our comfort zone's boundaries. Yet, our ultimate destination is the growth zone, a pinnacle of personal development. In this realm, we transform our mindset, realize our potential, and boldly chase new goals. Today's lesson reveals that this journey is not merely a process, it is a voyage of self-discovery, growth, and fulfillment. As you embark on your path, remember it's okay to start small, to face discomfort, and to embrace the unknown. The journey may twist and turn, but your willingness to step beyond comfort will lead you to your best self. Thank you for watching on this expedition of self-realization. Embrace the discomfort, and may your path take you to the extraordinary possibilities of the growth zone. We will see you with the next video. Thank you very much.